Today we are going to talk about Kajabi's pricing and help you to understand whether it is worth the money for your business. Kajabi is one of the most talked about all-in-one platforms for creator, coaches, course sellers, and entrepreneurs. It promises that all you need, the website, course hosting, funnels, email marketing, automation, and many more, all is in one place. But with higher prices than many other tools, many people ask, is Kajabi really worth it? In this video, we will explain how Kajabi's pricing works and what you get for your investment in simple way so everyone can understand. Now welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using the smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to check out the Kajabi and any available offers or trial access. By using the description link, any benefit that will be applied automatically. So you can get the best experience without any confusion. Now let's talk about the main part of the video. Kajabi's pricing is based on the tiers, and each level gives you the access to the platform with different limits and features. On the Kajabi website, you will see multiple plans such as the basic, growth, Kickstarter, or the pro, and with higher levels design that for the larger business and the creators who want more capacity and the advanced tools. The Kickstarter or the starting plan, which is $71 per month, this is the cheapest and most common starting point. This plan includes the core feature you need to build your first product, such as the websites, landing pages, email marketing, and simple automation. You can create up to few digital products and funnels, and you get a certain number of contacts and active members included. This plan also gives you unlimited landing pages and unlimited marketing emails, so you can start building your audience without worrying about extra fees just to send messages. Next is the basic plan, which is $143 per month, and here you can get the 5 products and the custom domain options, and here you can use the third-party integrations, and rest of the things are as similar as the starter plans. Next we have the growth plan, which costs more because it includes the advanced automation and the affiliate marketing and support for more products and contacts also. With growth, you also get more admin users, so your team can work inside the platform, and it is like $200 almost per month. This is a popular choice for creators who have already launched some products and want to scale their business, and they can use the automation to save time and engage more deeply with their audience. And the top is the pro plan, which is almost $400 per month, which gives you the largest limits of the product, the funnels, contacts, and active members, plus the feature like custom code editor and more admin user. This plan is designed for business that are managing many products, multiple websites, and large customer lists. If you need high capacity and advanced customization, this pro gives you the tool to handle all of this. When you look at these prices, it's very important to remember what Kajabi includes. Unlike many platforms where you must pay separately for email marketing software, course hosting, landing pages builder, or the automation tools, CRM systems, and payment integrations, Kajabi combines all of this in one place. This can save a lot of money and confusion when you compare it to using separate tools. For example, if you were to pay separately for email marketing, course hosting, funnel builder, and automation tools, those costs can easily add up much higher than one Kajabi subscription. Another advantage is that Kajabi does not charge its own transaction fees. That means you can keep more of your sales revenue. You will still pay the normal processing fees from Stripe or PayPal, but there is no extra platform fees on top of that. That can make a big difference for creators selling courses or memberships consistently. However, there are important things to consider when deciding if Kajabi is worth to buy. So that's today's explanation of Kajabi pricing and whether it is worth for your business or not. If this video helped you to understand, then give it a like and share it with someone who is deciding where to build their online course or digital products. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.